In this video, we will create our Hello World project. So first of all, open this urls.py file. I will hide this terminal for now. So I will click here and then I will drag this to the bottom. After that, I will zoom this. First of all, in this urls.py file, I will create a function for our home page. So I will type here def and then I will type here index. After that, I will give request as a parameter. Now after that, I will send an HTTP response. So for that, first of all, I have to import HTTP response. So I will type here from Django.http import HTTP response. Now after that, in this function, I will type here return. And then I have to use this HTTP response function. So I will type here HTTP response. After that, I will type here my response. So for example, I will type here welcome to the home page. Now inside this URL patterns list, I will add a URL. So for that, I will type here path. And then the first argument of this function is the URL. So I will leave this blank. By leaving it blank, the URL will be /. After that, I will type here comma. Now in the second argument, you have to type here the name of the function which you want to serve if someone goes to this address, which in this case is /. So I will type here the name of this function which is index. Let's save this file. You can see that my server has started here. You can see that our HTTP response is working perfectly. Now I can add many functions and URLs as I want. But if I declare all the functions in this file, our code will get cluttered. Because this is urls.py file. It should only contain the URLs. So what I will do is I will create a new file. And then I will name this views.py. And then I will cut this. Let's save this file. And then in this views.py file, I will paste it here. Let's save this file. Now inside this urls.py file, in order to use this index function, we have to first of all import this from this views.py file. So I will type here from dot import views, and then I will remove this from here, and then I will type here views dot index, which is the name of the function, and this is the name of the file. Now let's save this file. And then in the browser, if I reload this, you can see that nothing have changed here. Everything is working fine. Now let's create one more function for our about page. So I will type here def about, and then I'll pass the request as a parameter to this function. After that, I will type here return HTTP response, and then I will type here about page. Let's save this file, and then in the urls.py file, I will add one more URL for our about page. So I will type here path, and then inside this I will type here about /. So the URL of our about page will be our name of the website, which in this case is localhost 127.0.0.1 / this name, which is about /. After that I will type here views. Dot the name of the function, which is about. Now I can add one more argument in this path function, which is name, which we will discuss later when we will talk about templates. So if someone goes to this about page, serve this function, which is views.about. Let's save this file and then refresh this page. Now if I go to the about page, you can see that our HTTP response is working perfectly.